Well, so as of yesterday, I began reading this book called Ishigo Ishe, which is it's a Japanese word which basically means make the best use of every moment you get, because that moment will never return. So, I mean, it is just such a simple thought, but it is so true. I mean, most of us, we are either living in the past or in the future, where there's anxiety and past is, sadness. So, happiness is apparently the one emotion that is associated with the present. You can be happy in the now, So, that's what it's a close to 300 page book, I think 200 page, and I've read 50 pages, so I'll read it further and make a longer review. But I always like to keep my cute little viewers updated at whatever I'm doing. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. And that's what, like I said, today I have this angel healing class, so I'll be doing tarot card reading also along with it. So, that's what, at a later point I'll tell you all about my whole tarot card as my journey as a tarot card reader. It's already a 1 minute video. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.